What is up guys, it's Smithy, back here with another banger video guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install and run a Roblox Account Manager so you can have multiple Roblox instances all at once. This tool is completely open source, so you don't have to worry about any viruses at all. So guys, the first thing you're going to want to do is click the link in the description, which will take you to this GitLab page, and then you're going to press ram_ui.exe, the three dots, keep, arrow, keep anyway, and it's downloaded. Open file, and as you can see guys, we're in the Roblox Manager. So guys, the first thing you're going to want to do is press add account, log in with browser. I'm just going to go ahead and make an account, and as you can see, it captured the cookie. Now we'll add another account so I can run 2 instances. And as you can see, it's added my other account that I've just added. Now guys, we're going to go to settings and enable multi-instance. So guys, you're going to click on one of the accounts and you're going to find the place ID that you want to join. As you can see, I want to join the base plate, so I'm going to copy this. So guys, what you want to do when you've got your place ID is paste it here and press launch. And boom. We've initialized in this window, and now we're going to go to the other one and then press launch, and as you can see we've got 2 Roblox windows open, and you can see that Wave injected to both instances. Let's go ahead and run a print script. Execute. Boom. Boom. Both of them work. So guys, if you want to use this Roblox Account Manager, all the links that you need are in the description or on my website. If you need any support, you can join my Discord, which is also in the description. And yeah, so I'll see you all next time.